This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.